Greetings from Vivekananda Shatavarshiki Mahavidyalaya Manikpada. Vivekananda Shatavarshiki Mahavidyalaya Manikpada was established in the year 1964 and remains one of the major institutions of higher education in and around Jangal Mahal regions of West Bengal, India. It is imparting education since its inception and continues to do so. Located in the Jhargram district, the college has in total 2,000 students with 56 faculty members. College is affiliated to the esteemed organization of Vidyasagar University and have BA, BCom, BSc courses to offer honors and general as per the new education policy. Under its BA honors program, college offers Bengali, history, Sanskrit, political science, philosophy, Santali, English, geography, economics, physics, chemistry, mathematics and commerce, and some 3-year multidisciplinary or general courses to offer our computer science, education, nutrition, NCC, physical education and music. College building is spacious with sufficient classroom and even have ICT classroom as per the norms of new education policy. Various laboratories like computer lab, physics lab, physical education lab, chemistry lab, geography lab, communication lab enhances the experience of students with all practical experience in various fields. Hostel facilities are available for boys and girls with ample security. In addition to the boys and girls hostel, the college under its campus also have SC and ST hostel. College library is quite enriched, and since 1964, the collection have become more and more enhanced or enriched. Library have also enhanced itself with digital books and journals. Various subscriptions to various journals and website helps our students to enhance their knowledge. Apart from academic prospects, the college has some vibrant committees and cells which look after the all-round or holistic development of our student. Committees and cells like NCC, NSS, Sports Committee, Career Counseling Cell and MD and CRE are living examples of it. Every year in the Republic Day Parade, it's a proud moment for us when our students from NCC and NSS represent their college at New Delhi. College also provides career guidance, free coaching classes to its students. Various courses like computer courses, tailoring courses at nominal price enhances the scope of learning of our students. In short, our college aims at all-around development of its students and forges a sense of national duty through its various committee and cell. College also imparts all beneficial programs initiated by the state government to students. Kanya Shri is a living example of it. Our college has received 2 awards in channelizing the scheme at ground level. Apart from Kanya Shri schemes like Student Credit Card, Oasis and other scholarships are duly available for our students. The communication to our college is smooth as Manikpada is well connected by national highways and railways. Buses from Mednipur, Kharagpur and Jhargram ply to Manikpada, and in the context of railway, the local station Sardia, which is well connected to Kharagpur and Jhargram. To conclude, our college has a vision of not only imparting educational ethos and values, but also build a valuable society and future. Come join Manikpada College, get educated in the real sense of term. Thank you.